How do you like our technology? We're now in the 21st century. See? A little bit of background. I've had this love affair with nougat since a child. When I started my own little shop called Figaro's, I wanted to make nougat. And I wanted to make the best nougat. And nobody wants to teach me how to make nougat because the people that do it is in France and Italy and Spain. And now we discovered in Sardinia. We haven't been able to find the nougat as good as I make. We're in Sardinia. We've done nougat in southern parts of France. Wasn't good. We did Italian nougat. Not so happy with that either because it's all fudgy and spongy kind of nougat. And then last year we did in Malaga, we ended up with Spanish nougat. Hard, but the flavor was bang on. And then this little Airbnb, which we stay here, the folks are so nice. They gave us a basket of stuff. Torrone sardo, so Nougat Torrone. It comes from a place called Tonara, which is apparently a local place here. And when we ate this, suddenly, that's the nougat I've been making. It's chewy, but it melts. It's so full of nuts that it's just, flavor is phenomenal. And I said to young Cowboy, let's go see. It's going to be an hour and a half drive, probably to the other side of the island. And we'll see. Maybe they're open, maybe they're not. But the bottom line is this is damn good nougat. Look at that.
Where it is, at least.
No, the reality is this is Sardinia because they've been farming sheep like this for ever. Ever. All right, this is Nougat capital. This is the spot and it's open, which is always a big dicey. Torronificio Artigiano. Local knowledge, and they will let you in when you press the button. Buongiorno, how are you doing? We're here from Canada. We're from Canada and we're looking for the best nougat in the world.
Ok, avete sentito parlare del nostro torronificio quindi?
Sì.
Ok.
See, this is from chestnut honey. It's a copper cauldron, and there was a spatula, and you had a maiden that was standing here the whole day, stirring this while they were making a fire underneath. They were actually taking the water out of the honey, and the egg white then obviously suspends the honey. So this is the way that it used to be done.
Dalle 3 alle 4 ore.
3 to 4 hours.
Sempre
Okay. Just stirring it all the time. Yeah. Regardless of the fact that it's one of the best quality nougats that we've got, except what we make. This is $50 of nougat. I bought in Montélimar nougat, and when I did this, I had to go and mortgage the house to go and get, and eventually I think it was $600. I don't want to say because Mama Cowboy is still not forgiving me for that one. But you have the best quality nougat we ever found, and we've got a whole caseload of this. Actually, this is typical Italy. Everything is closed. When you get to one of these little local stores where you get your cappuccino in the mornings, they will tell you what the real story is. Here's the real story. There's apparently two sides to the Torrone in this wonderful place called Tonara. You get what they call the commercial, okay, which is gorgeous. And believe me, this is one of the best we've had. And then there's the nougat underground. This is what you get with the nougat underground. The big distinction is that here, nothing is made with sugar, it's only made with honey.
Torrone biologic, naturale.
Perfect.
No sugar, fatto a mano, tradizionale.
Yeah. With,
Okay.
I can see your arms.
Sì,
You got good
quando
arms.
va.
That's good. You get lots of different kinds of nougat. This is the one that got sticky and a little bit wetter, but the thing that really makes it stand out
Good.
is it is perfect. Love it. Thank you.
Amigos, Sardinia.
This is the real Sardinia. Awesome. People, this is local as it gets. This is the stuff that you miss in real Canada. I would love to see more of this where we come from. This is nougat as Mama used to make it. And you saw it with Silvio. He says he makes it himself. We're too pretentious sometimes. We just have to do the real thing that you get from behind the store where Silvio makes it.
In the mountains in Sardinia.
In the mountains in Sardinia or in the backcountry of Canada, and taste something phenomenal. Now I'm gonna have my coffee because I'm sweet. I'm over sweet and sticky. Cheers.